Most people say that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. But what if I told you that beauty can be measured mathematically? That the size and dimensions of one's face and body are all related? Well, you may find that certain ratios in a beautiful person's face, like Emma Watson or Angelina Jolie, would be close to 1.6. The same number is hidden everywhere in our world, for which it is rightfully called the golden ratio, denoted by the Greek number phi.
Now, phi is a very peculiar number and it is irrational, which means that its exact decimal value goes on and never stops. Spirals derived from this number can be seen everywhere in nature. Phi was named after the ancient Greek architect Phidias, who used it in his various designs. Leonardo da Vinci, the famous artist, also used this ratio in his masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. There is evidence that phi was used widely in architecture and design by the Egyptians, Indians, and many more civilizations. The relatively new times also use phi. This number has an unusual connection to a mathematical series called the Fibonacci series. It is a function of the sum of the two preceding numbers, or in simpler words, add up the two previous numbers to get the next number. So we have 0, 1, then again 1, then 2, 3, 5, and so on. But what does this have to do with phi? Well, if you divide a number into series by its predecessor, you would get a number close to phi. So the larger numbers you take in the series, the closer you get to calculating phi. Unless you want to spend eternity trying to calculate the real value of phi, I would recommend not to do it this way. Hey, we're in luck! Phi is a solution to a quadratic equation whose value is root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. This gives us the value close to 1.618034, but its real decimal value goes on and never stops. This equation is derived from the most interesting aspect of this number. Phi squared is exactly equal to 1 plus phi. I know, crazy isn't it? I personally like to think of this number as God's mathematical tool for creation. So the next time you spot a hurricane, make sure you look for his signature in it.